Okay, so if you use Cloud Code like me, so you will discover that Cloud Code you can work on the terminal. Okay, it's easier for developers. I mean, if you're a developer, you should be very familiar with terminal. But these days, vibe coders, want to try out, vibe code apps and all of that with Cloud Code. So they are not really familiar with the terminal. So what they work with the section. You can see on the left hand side we have the section. So this is what they are used to. So I pile up these commands, section commands that can really help you to get sorted with your work. The first one is /resume. Okay, if you do resume, it's what it does is going to pick up from a previous conversation. It's just to hit enter and you select the conversation you left up from, and is going to pick up from that particular conversation. So it's going to load and pick up from there. So the next one we can do is to do /init. And what does this do? It's going to go ahead to set up a project memory for cloud, which is the cloud.md. So if I hit enter, it's going to set up a cloud.md file for this project, which is going to be a memory for that. You could see that it's going to set that up for this. The next one we can work with is /permission. And what does this do is view and manage what Claude is allowed to do. So if I hit, it's going to tell you what Claude is allowed to manage. And of course, the next one we are going to use is this /clear, and it's going to clear our section of all the previous charts. So if I hit enter, you can see that it's going to remove all of those things. But again, another one apart from clear that does the opposite is rewind. Rewind is going to bring back a previous message if there was something that that is available to be rewind, but if there is none, then nothing can be rewind. So let's have some more. We can also have the model, and it opens a picker for you to choose a model. Okay, you could switch model when message is flagged, high effort, and all of the MCP servers. So that is going to help you switch to a model. But if I do model opus, okay, it's going to right away switch to the opens model, though that is not available in this environment. Or you could do model Hiku. Hiku model is going to switch to Hiku model as well. So before we call this a wrap, let's look at two most important ones as well, and that is the plan. Okay, so you could plan your tasks. Like what this does is that it helps to show what Claude will do before touching files. Okay, you know what planning is. It's going to plan the tasks with Claude. So you don't just type plan, you say plan and you enter a task. Maybe you want to say add authentication to the app. Okay, so you can hit enter and it's going to plan that for you. Okay, in that. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's do the next one. We can have plan, and it's going to help you plan. You know what we can say, plan best next feature for my app. Okay, so what Claude is going to do is going to help you plan what is the best feature for your app, and it's going to go ahead to add that to your app. Look interesting. So lastly, we could look at the next one, and that is the goal. Okay, just like plan, you can add a goal. Okay, maybe you want to add all tests pass. That's a goal. So if you hit enter, it's going to ensure that all the text in your app passes. So any test is going to see goal noted, and is going to work continuously to ensure that all tests for this particular project passes. It passes all tests. So